turn your customer complaint into a positive, the last thing we want to hear during our workday is complaints from customers. However, it does come with the territory. Here are a few tips on how to turn your customer's complaint into a positive. 1. Listen. When a customer comes to you with a complaint about one of your products or services, listen to them. Listen to what they are telling you, and take notes if at all possible. The number one thing a customer wants when they have a problem is for someone to listen to them. Allow them to vent, let them get it all out. Once they have explained their problem in full, begin to ask any questions you may have to get a full handle on the situation. While you are listening, body language is very important. Make sure you maintain eye contact. This sends your customer a message that you are taking them seriously. 2. Be empathetic. When the customer is done explaining their problem, show sincerity by telling them that you understand how they feel. Apologize on behalf of the company that they feel the way they do, and tell them that you are committed to resolving their issue within the guidelines of your company. By becoming defensive in this situation, you are taking a bad situation and making it worse. By having an understanding of where your customer is coming from on the situation, and speaking in a calm tone of voice, you can clearly diffuse the situation. You don't by any means want your customer to become angry and cause a scene. 3. Offer a solution. We have all heard the expression "the customer is always right." I don't necessarily agree with this, but it is important to work toward finding a solution, even if the customer is in the wrong. For instance, you might try meeting them halfway. You will know whether or not your customer is a repeat offender, and you can handle the situation accordingly. For customers who have a legitimate complaint, it is best to rectify the situation right then and there. Whether it is giving them their money back or replacing their product. Always leave your customer with your business card and tell them if they should ever have a problem again, they should not hesitate to contact you immediately. This will help them regain their confidence in you and your company. The main goal when a customer has a complaint is to not allow the problem to snowball. Your objective should be to diffuse the situation and retain your customer. By handling tough situations such as these in a professional manner, you will find your once complaining customers satisfied that you resolved their issue, and a newfound respect for you.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.